Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to set screen timeout on Samsung M35 device. Okay, setting the screen timeout to an appropriate duration ensures user convenience by balancing power-saving benefits with usability. The screen turns off after a period of inactivity, conserving battery power while allowing users to quickly resume using the device without manual intervention. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open the Settings app on your device to access the various customization options. And within the settings, locate and tap on the display menu to adjust the display settings. So here, please scroll down until you find the screen timeout and tap on it. Okay, and in the settings, you will discover a range of options for adjusting the time it takes for the screen to automatically turn off when not in use. So, select the desired screen timeout duration from the available options to apply it to your device. Okay, and this customization will allow you to manage the screen timeout settings according to your preferences, optimizing battery life and user experience on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set screen timeout on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.